Dun dun dun.
Hey, careful, Miss Dillon.
Just kidding. Look at little Courtney out in the snow.
That's the second ball.
No, that ain't even cool. Because how you gonna put the top ball on and then put snowballs and the eyeballs in it and a carrot?
It's just a start, Vern. You're not worth perfection.
Courtney ain't nothing about you perfection.
Oh, my stomach a little bit.
It looks like a volcano.
Ooh. That's erupting. I was like, girl, you said you was going to clean your room. I ain't giving you no snowman soap. You gonna stand there all day, you gonna help?
I'm standing here watching you make an epic fail of a snowman.
I have a brilliant idea.
Oh Lord, let's hear it.
Snowman is laying down.
You go on with your bad self then. Let me see your creativity. Courtney trying to make a snowman. It's not going to work.
Oh.
Oh Lord. Say hey.
Hey.
Look.
Hey. I can't really see you.
I noticed. Every time that bird starts tweeting, that dog over there barks. Why is there a dog out in the snow?
Wonderful people.
Yeah, probably in that yellow house down the road. Bunch of grouches.
What are y'all ladies want to do?
Ungrateful people.
Yeah, the snow is where you fall down. Hey, we got a ball going.
There's a ball. That's a cone. There's never a dull moment at our house.
A cone, a ball, sometimes has to start out as a cone.
Did you learn that at Meredith?
Yeah, I did.
Is that about all you learned at Meredith?
Shut up.
Paid $32,000 a year and still just dumb as she started.
Shut up. I kiss the girls. Hey, man, I got to see you. Hey. Go see the girls.
Come on, Matt. Hush, Miles. Come pee-pee. Come pee-pee, man. Hey, go pee-pee. Go pee. Go ahead. Come on. Look.
Ready?
Come on.
I need my gloves.
You have to go get him. I'm making him a...
Hey, come.
Come on, look.
Come on here.
I made him a trail.
I want Juicy.
Mikey, come this way. Put him on the trail. See the trail on there? Come on.
I want the trail.
What?
Put it away.
Come on. Baby. My nose. Yay!
Hey.
Lala's nose.
Let's do it again.
Good boy. Go again.
One more.
Don't you get in the stairs.
Go up the stairs. You'll get hurt.
Get back over here in this time. It's too hard for you.
Give me your phone. Look at the picture.
What's wrong?
What? Is it too high? What do you think? Make little nose.
That's easy. Here, I'm making it a little more tight for you. Are you going to put it over there?
Don't you go up them steps. What? Yeah, I said it. Did you see his face?
Yeah. What's wrong, man?
Don't go up them steps.
What's wrong?
Are you cold?
You just
Is
really
it inside?
happy. That's nice.
You need to drink more water, son.
Courtney, say it to me.
Well,
He needs to drink more water, son. He's going to the door. He's like, I'm out. Checking in his mess is killing me.
Mama, I'm in.
Bring it on in with you.
That's too funny.
Oh, hey, you are recording. Did you record me putting my hat on?
Please.
That's just rude. I can fix my underdrawers.
Yeah, he underdrawers.
You really?
They're a hole in your pants.
Yeah, that's my jeans, you see.
Oh. Ma, you want to go in there?
You going to see me, Ma?
Courtney making a snow angel.
Jumping jack.
You should have saw the effort to get down there. That was hilarious.
Bite me. I'm always big enough or I need to go
Keep going.
Why?
No, you just keep going.
Hi.
Hi.
If you can't make a snowman, snow angel's next best. Even though I can't breathe without his clothes.
Question. How you gonna get up?
Good question. This is why only kids do it. That was good, actually.
Okay.
Oh. I'm taking a nap.
Well, I'm gonna leave you here then. It don't compact, Courtney.
Oh, it's snowing in my eye.
What are you doing?
I'm making bigger wings.
Go down some more. There. Because you're making a trench. Do your legs.
Woo, that's starting to loose.
Okay.
I'm looking at dirt angle now, ain't I?
Yeah.
That's nice. Oh, no! In the face.
You'll mess up your snow
No!
angel if you don't be careful.
Oh, you know what he did.
Is it good?
Now. Bet there's going to be a permanent butt plant. How do I get it?
Maybe scoot back a little bit, but don't mess up your snow angel thing.
Where can I put my hand? Can I put my hand here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
My
scoot
hand here?
yourself. Scoot yourself back. Look now, you're moving stuff.
Too much clothes. Okay. Too much cold. Let's think. Don't want to mess up my skirt I got going on here.
Well, if you knock down the leg part there and smooth it out, you want your skirt to look like that?
I don't know.
Then you can get up in that area there.
Okay.
Don't knock any more snow down. Unless you knock the middle part of your legs out. Whoa! Whoa, Courtney. Your crack's gotta be froze.
A little bit.
Oh my God. You messed up the bottom.
Can't see what I'm doing.
I found the culprit of the yellow snow.
Hey, shut up. Okay.
You!
Woo! That's afraid of snow angel. My arms really that short.
Yes. So are your legs.
I forgot to wiggle my head.
Go back down there and wiggle your head.
Do you know how much it was for me to get up? I guess I have to, huh?
You probably don't have to lay down. You probably could just use your foot. Because that takes an act of Congress for you to lay down. You done messed up your girl again. Your angel's got a little head.
I got a little head. What can I say?
No, you don't. You got a big head.
Yeah, that's my big head. Let me get out of here. Whoa! Snow in the crack. Are you videoing me? That's just rude. Take a video and take a picture of my angel.
A video of your angel.
Oh. Your turn.
No. Proceed.
Am I going into my angel?
No. You gotta get your head in there.
My head's in there.
Legs gotta go further apart. Really?
Yeah. I was going to follow up with a wing.
Okay. What are you doing? That bird's laughing at you.
What'd you say?
So that bird is laughing at you.
What bird?
That just flew by. I was laughing.
Oh, I didn't see it.
There he is.
Where?
On top of the bushes up there. Now he's over there. He's gone now.
I don't see him. Okay, here I go.
We're waiting.
Oh, my fuse is broke. Oh. No, Angel.
His shoes. Oh, God.
No shoes. Yay.
Oh, God.
Oh, God. You're pushed over there.
Yeah, he's trying to get thrown.
Hi.
Hi.
Nothing more fun than playing in the snow. And if you ain't gonna play in it, and if you're playing loose, make it snowball, ain't no point in having it. I like that snow angel better.
You can go make another one.
You should make one too.
I ain't getting in the snow.
Wow.
It's cold. Really?
Mm-hmm.
Quit, Miles. Stop stepping all over me. You just pull the black one off. It's behind it. The hair sticking out.
I don't care.
Between you gonna pull it off again?
Nope. Mm.
Yeah. I think I see Mama. You don't rip the damn hat.
Mm.
Yeah. You look like a fucking turtle. A turtle. Hi. It's a snow day. It's snowing, see? Well, it's not snowing anymore, but it snowed.
I wish we were at Papa's house. We could get pictures of his house in the snow.
I got a surprise in my coat. Molly. There's Courtney over there. Say hey.
Hey! Oh, they can while I do that. Oh. Look at my shoe!
Her shoe come apart in the snow. See?
It's not cold. My hat's falling down on my head and I can't see.
No, not your hat. Your head. Yeah, earmuffs.
Something. Something on my head's falling down. Alright, I'm gonna go put this camera down and we're gonna find out this is snowman snow.
It is snow.
Snowman snow. I said. Bye.
I'm about to go make snow cream. Bye.
Snowman.
Snow day. That's lovely.
Crack? Did you see crack? Oh, baby. Can't never keep my crack covered in the snow.
Snow day. Somebody don't have to work today. That pond's frozen.
Hey, careful.
Not quite. If I could just figure out how to get out of here without stumbling.
Alright. tells me to put the camera down and find out. Is this snowman snow? Don't touch me.
Snow day. I think I need to turn my brightness down.